a novel hybrid image synthesis mapping framework for steganography without embedding. Abstract. The system integrates AES encryption with image steganography and fragile watermarking to ensure secure and tamper-evident communication. Here is our website, which you can find Python projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From Python projects to span diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document, we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, application, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. Results. The home page serves as the landing page of your application. The About page offers detailed information about the project. The registration page allows new users to create an account with the application. The login page enables users to access their existing accounts by entering their credentials. After user successfully login, this page will appear. In here, user can view all users and search for a particular user by the username, and he can send friend request. In here, user can see all the requests sent by other users and he can make actions on those requests, accept or reject. In here, user can see all his or her friends and select a friend for chat with him or her. In here, user can chat with the selected friend by the left box. User can get text message as an embedded watermark image with encrypted text from his or her from the left chat box. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.